Alright, what is going on, guys? We have the RAZER Kaira Pro for the Xbox Series X and the S. This is a wireless headset. It should last for about 20 hours on end. It does have a removable mic as well as RGB, some memory foam, breathable mesh. We'll just check it out. So this is the specs on it. I basically just named most of them. And you can see them right here. You can pause the screen, zoom in, or whatever you want. I might put some minimal important specs on the left. And then on the back, you just have more information about the cardioid microphone, the titanium 50mm drives, as well as it has wireless and Bluetooth 5.0. So it'll connect to the console as well as your phone simultaneously, and you can listen to both. And then you also have an EQ and Xbox pairing button, so you can toggle between the different functions and EQ settings just right off the bat. It has 2-year warranty and RAZER Chroma RGB. Like I said. So it does have a pull tab, so no knife needed, which is nice. All right, getting into the box. Obviously typical RAZER, very nice black box and presentation overall. Really nice. So right here you just have a big user manual. Once again, that no one's gonna read, but I mean, you have everything in here between chat and game balance, comfort, settings, and right here you have some RAZER stickers. So you have like a chroma right here and different text and fonts, as well as the logo, and just tons of stickers in there. And then right here you have the headphones themselves in a really nice bag. And then right here you have the cables. I do not know how to take this out. Should be able to just, yeah, there we go. So right here, I believe you have the mic and the charging cable. Yep. So you have the mic right here. Oh, that's a big windscreen. So that's the mic. So obviously it's a cardioid microphone. And this actually does have a flat edge, so you know which part to talk into. And then the other side has a rounded edge to actually cancel out the background noise. All right, so that's pretty cool. And then right here we have the charging cable, I believe. Hopefully it's Type-C. Yep. Wow, this is braided too. This is really nice. So once again, this is retails for about $130, and it has green accents. That is really nice. I love the attention to detail for that. So get a high quality charging cable, as well as a little cable management clip here. So yeah, that's basically all you get in that box. And then here you have the headphones themselves. All right, so here are the headphones. Build quality on them, I could already tell they were actually really, really good. It has a little tag up here. All right, so that's that. And then right here, you just have tons of information on both ear cuffs. So they do swivel, first of all. Very, very easily maneuvered around, like really easy. And then right here, you have a steel band. So you have levels on here as well. You have one all the way through 9. Yeah, 9. 9 is a little cut off, but you can see it just barely. But yeah, the look on it so far, I mean, it looks pretty good. I like the green accents. Obviously, it screams RAZER just by looking at it, or screams Xbox as well. You have that hexed pattern on the top of the headband, as well as the memory foam cuffs here. So you have green padding. The padding on this is fairly decent, not the best, but not the worst. And then right here, you just have tons of polycarbonate, really thick, so it will not break anytime soon. It does have right and left branding, so right there you have right, if you see that, and then you have left right there. So right here you have the mic mute button switch, so you toggle it like that. So right now it's muted, right now it's on, and then right here you have a volume rocker, so this is the main volume, and then right here you have a game volume or chat volume, so you can increase the chat or increase the game volume. Right here you have an EQ button, and then on the bottom you have the Bluetooth button to connect to your phone or tablet or anything that has Bluetooth basically. And then right here you have an on button, so you should be able to just easily press it like that. On this part you have a dedicated mobile microphone, so if you're playing mobile gaming you do not need the extra microphone. You can just carry it like this and use this tiny microphone right here. And then you also have a charging port right there, and that's pretty much it. I will go ahead and pair these in a bit, but let's just go ahead and add the microphone. So adding the microphone is really simple. You have a groove right there. It's a flat edge. Just match up the flat edge to the headphones, and you're good. Then you can maneuver however you want, and this has a really good distance. Man, I should have been using the screen background the whole time. So yeah, that's the look of them. Obviously you can make them rest on your head like that. It looks really nice and overall just clean. I'll go ahead and turn them on now. So you just press and hold the power button. It has a green indicator light, and the RGB will go ahead and flash on. Can't really tell that they're on. They're in pairing mode, as you can see. And it should just pair exactly how you pair a controller on Xbox. So you just go in your Bluetooth settings, and automatically it'll be right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect it and listen to some sound. So you have double pressing the EQ button, which will allow you to switch between 3 different modes, or technically 4. You can add your own custom one. Just press this button right here, the EQ button, twice to cycle between those. Now there's no way to differentiate between them, like it won't say it in your face. Not that I know of on mobile, but it might say it on Xbox, we'll see. You change it between that and you can start hearing more clarity, more bass. They have an FPS, so you can hear more footsteps all around you, like an immersive sound. It actually really does a good job on the bass. I can barely hear myself. So yeah, it does a really good job on that. I really do like it. And then we're just gonna have to test out the microphone, battery life, comfort, just everything all around, and within the next few days, and we'll see how this is. If you wanted to see a comparison between this, the Xbox official headset, as well as the HyperX Cloud Flight wireless headset, which is a really good headset. They're all around 100 to 130 bucks. So we'll go ahead and test all those out and see which one is the absolute king of headphones for that price point. So yeah, that's so far what it is. First impressions, just a little quick unboxing. If you want to see the review of these 3 headphones that I just named, like the video, just subscribe. I'll have that video coming out very soon. It's going to be really more in depth, and if you are needing a headset and don't want to spend 100 bucks on just any random one, just stay tuned for that video and I'll actually explain it further. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching,